I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cherry blossom liquid shoe polish. First, gather your materials, your shoes, the polish, and a soft cloth. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your shoes to remove any dirt or dust, ensuring they are completely dry. This crucial step prepares the surface for optimal polish application. Remember to shake the polish bottle well for about 10 seconds before you start. Now, let's apply the polish. Gently press the applicator sponge onto your shoe to release the liquid. Spread the polish evenly across the entire surface using light, circular motions. Work in small sections to ensure thorough coverage. Be careful not to oversaturate the sponge or apply an excessive amount of polish, as a thin, even coat works best for a smooth finish. Once applied, let the polish dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice a dull, hazy film forming, which indicates it's ready for the next step. Now, take a clean, soft cloth or a shoe brush and begin buffing. Use quick, firm strokes across the shoe's surface. This action will transform the dull finish into a beautiful, brilliant shine, enhancing your shoe's appearance. To keep your shoes looking their best, regular maintenance is key. Clean and polish them every few wears, or as needed, to maintain that fresh shine. Always store your shoes in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to protect the material. Remember to tightly cap your cherry blossom liquid polish bottle after each use to prevent it from drying out, ensuring it's ready for your next application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.